Understanding clearance racks in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common term you might encounter while shopping, clearance racks. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grab some great deals. So, let's dive in. Clearance racks refer to special areas in stores where products are sold at significantly reduced prices. These items are often on clearance because the store is trying to clear out old stock to make room for new products. The items on these racks can be anything: clothes, shoes, electronics, or home goods, and are marked down, sometimes up to 50 to 70% off the original price. Stores use clearance racks for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps them sell products that have been in stock for a while. Secondly, it's an effective way to attract customers who are looking for good deals. Lastly, it aids in managing inventory efficiently by clearing out old or seasonal items. 1. Check for quality. Just because items are on clearance doesn't mean they're defective. However, it's always good to inspect them for any damage or issues. 2. Be flexible. You might not always find your size or the exact item you want, but keep an open mind for other options. 3. Know the return policy. Clearance items often have different return policies. Make sure to understand these before purchasing. Hope this video helped you understand what clearance racks are and how you can make the most out of them. Remember, they're a great way to save money while shopping. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.